Freedom is so much more important than your high-paying job. Look, at the end of the day, right, you can make so much money in a 9-to-5 job, but if you don't get freedom, what is the point, right? And I'm basically going to explain in today's video why you should look at trying to get freedom rather than trying to get a high-paid job, right? Because when you get a high-paying job, what happens is, in fact, I would argue you're more enslaved into the system, okay? And now I'm going to break this down in this video. Now, if you don't know who I am, my name is Alim. I used to work a 9-to-5 job back in the UK. I took a big risk. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai. Now I make well over 6 figures a year and my life has completely changed. And now people hire me to help them start their own online business that could generate thousands and thousands of dollars every single month and also gives them freedom, right? Which is obviously the premise of this video. If you're working 40 hours a week for someone else, right? And let's say, argument's sake, you're making about 4 or 5 grand a month. Now guys, 4 or 5 grand a month for most people might sound amazing, right? I'm telling you from someone that is making a lot more than that, it's not that great, right? It's not that good. There's only so much you can do with 4 or 5 grand, right? Because bear in mind, if you've got a family, especially if you've got kids, you know, if you want to go on holiday, if you want to do like various other things, 5 grand a month, to be honest, isn't enough, especially when like a mortgage is what, around 2 grand a month, give or take. Rather than looking at a high paying job, what you guys should actually look at is starting an online business, right? Because that's what I do currently. I work with people on a one-to-one basis and help them scale to 10K a month by using the one skill consulting business model. Now, the one skill consulting business model is basically where you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? Now, if you guys are interested and you do want to start this business and work with me, click the link in the description where it says work with me, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can actually help you, okay? Now, the reason why a high paying job is not worth it in today's day and age, right, is because let's say you're making 5 grand a month. Guys, I know a lot of people in high paying jobs who can still not afford to survive, right? Because there's a lot of people making, let's say 2 grand a month, 3 grand a month, you know, struggling to survive. And they're thinking, okay, if I get that high paying job, oh, I'm going to be able to make more money. I'm going to be able to, you know, have a better life, right? But I know a lot of people who have high paying jobs and still can't survive, right? They're still struggling. Bear in mind, most people, you got to pay for fuel when you travel, or, you know, when you go to work, you got to buy lunch there, and then inflation's going up so rapidly. So, you know, your money is going in different places, right? Whereas if you have an online business, which means you can work from anywhere, one, you don't have a cap on your salary, right? So it's not like you're just going to consistently make 3, 4 grand. No, you can make 5 grand one month. Okay. You can make 10 grand one month. You can make 20 grand. You can make 30 grand. That's something that you will never, ever get in a high paying job, right? Doesn't matter how high paying job it is, right? Even sales to a certain extent, there's always going to be a ceiling. There's always going to be a cap, right? Whereas with an online business, it's uncapped. You can make as much money as you want. Let's work it out. Now you work 40 hours a week, right? In a 9-to-5 job. Okay, you might be making 4 or 5 grand, which I've already made the point that is not a lot of money. You're making 4 or 5 grand a month, working 40 hours a week. Guys, there are people in the online space doing the exact business model that I'm talking about, working 2 hours a week and are making 10K a month, only working 2 hours a week. This might sound too good to be true. The reason why it sounds too good to be true is because you're working a 9-to-5 job. For you guys to make 10 grand, right, you've got to work so many hours because you only look at making money through hours, how many hours you spend, but that's not how business works. Business pays you for the action that you take. A 9-to-5 pays you for the hours that you work. This is why they're two different things, okay? And this is why most people who are working 9-to-5 jobs find it really hard to believe that there are people making 10 grand a month, 20 grand a month, 30 grand a month, 50 grand a month, even 100 grand a month, right? People find it difficult to believe just because in their mind they're thinking, oh, you know, money equals the hours worked. But that's not the case in business. In business, you get paid for the value that you create. In a 9-to-5 job, you get paid for the hours that you work. They're both two different things, right? And trust me, I would rather, even if I was making, let's say 20 grand a month from a 9-to-5 job, I would still rather choose an online business that makes you 10 grand a month and have ultimate freedom than work a 9-to-5 and get paid 20 grand a month that you still have to work 40 hours a week for, right? Because I don't want to be someone else's slave. I want to work on my own terms. I want to live life on my own terms. I don't want to be someone else's bitch, right? I'm not working for someone else. I don't have to do what someone else tells me to do. This is one of the reasons why I moved to Dubai, so I can work for myself on my online business. I don't have to listen to anyone else. I can travel wherever I want to go. I can work wherever I want, right? Like right now, I'm in Dubai. If I want to take a flight to the UK, I can do that, work there. Or what I can do is I can go to Dubai Mall and work and go to the beach and work. Guys, I mean, like, I can work wherever I want. I've got a pool downstairs. I can work I've got a pool on my balcony, I can work there, which I've done it a few times. Guys, I can work where I want, right? The point I'm trying to make is I have freedom. Freedom is the most beautiful thing. Like, a lot of people in their mind think, oh, when I have freedom, like, life's gonna be amazing. I'm telling you, for someone that's done it, it's even better than you think. Like, it is so much better than you think. Guys, I don't even wake up to an alarm anymore. I don't put an alarm clock, right? Because there's no need. If I have meetings and stuff like that, I normally, move them to the afternoon. The point I'm trying to make is that I get to wake up whenever I want. I can do whatever I want. I can plan my day however I want. If, for example, I don't want to work on a Wednesday, I don't have to, right? Because I'm my own boss. I can move my meetings. It's not a problem. But for most people working a 9-to-5 job, they have to work a Wednesday, or they could try and take time off, but obviously that's dependent on someone else. The boss would have to approve it, right? So rather than living life like that, why don't you just start your own business? Guys, you can make so much more money, and you get more freedom, and you work less hours. Like, I find it so crazy to believe in today's day and age, in 2026, that there are people deciding to work a 9-to-5 job because, one, they think it's more stable, which is not the case, because I think having no control on when you get paid, right, and relying on another company to pay you isn't stability, right? Business is stability because you get to choose how much money you make. You get to choose how much you get paid, right? Because it's all dependent on your actions. It's not dependent on someone else. Like, I'm not relying on someone else to make money. I rely on myself to make money. I don't have to, wait until someone else pays me. No, I make myself get paid. I work for myself. I'm not dependent on anyone else. If I make less money, it's my fault. But in a 9-to-5 job, if you make less money, if the company, for example, doesn't pay you on time, were you going to blame the company? Were you going to or if the company sacks you, what are you going to do? The company controls you. The company controls how much money you make. The company controls when you get paid. The company controls everything, basically, right? But with my business and my online business, which I call the One Skill Consulting business model, I'm in control of everything. I don't need to rely on someone else. I rely on myself to get paid. This is why entrepreneurship is one of the best things people can do, and the One Skill Consulting business model is the best business that any of you guys can start. And as I said, if you guys are looking for help where you can work with me on a one-to-one basis, where I will scale you to 10K a month by using the One Skill Consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you, okay? Now guys, a high-paying job, do not go for that, because let's put it this way, guys, right? Doctors in the UK, I assume, are making around 150 grand a month. I could be wrong, but around 150 grand a month. And they have to go through medical school, which I think takes like 7-8 years. Then they start off like as a junior doctor and they kind of work their way up. Guys, there are people as young as 17 making a doctor's salary at that age, right? Without having to go to university, without having to study for 8 years, without have to, have someone else's life in their hands, essentially, right? They're able to make that kind of money. Now, if you want to be a doctor, by all means do it. I'm not saying don't be a doctor. I'm basically saying that if you want to be a doctor just for the money, there are so many other things that you can do. As I said, there's 16, 17-year-olds out there making doctor's salary, even more than that, to be fair. There are 16, 17-year-olds making 100K a month, right? And again, it might sound unrealistic to a lot of you guys watching this, but trust me, I'm telling you from experience, I'm telling you from someone that's done it himself, that it is so easy to make money online. All you have to do is try, hire a mentor, and go full in on it. Because, guys, I mean, I was at a very big disadvantage. When I moved to Dubai, I had no money, right? So what did I do? I tried my best. I tried to get as much money as possible, right? Then what did I do? I invested that money in a mentor, and then I made 10 grand in my first month, and then I just started scaling from there, right? So the point I'm trying to make to you guys is that you all can do this business model. Every single one of you watching this can do this, right? I've had a client that's as young as 16, start making 5 grand a month. I've got a 21-year-old client that's making around 25 grand a month. I've got another client that's making around 15 grand a month. I've got another client that's making around 10 grand a month, right? The point I'm trying to make is I have many clients who are absolutely smashing it, and every single one of you can do it. So now, as I said to you guys, if you want to start your own online business where I will work with you on a one-to-one basis, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can help you. Or alternatively, if you want to know this business model a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.